the number 4. Nakuha ni number. Jump ball again.
First 5 pa ngayon.
Nakuha ni number 12, Roman. Pass to number 11, no good. Nakuha ni number 8. Pass to number 14. Anong tawag? Lifting violation. Number 12, setting double A, pass to number 02. Wala po na nakuha ni number 12, Roman. No good. Rebound ni number 14, pass to number 8, pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 8, nakuha ni number 62. Out and pass kay number 12, Roman. Good for goal. Number 26, setting the play. Pass to number 16, pass to number 14. No goal. Nakuha ni number 69, Justin Kahunday. Na-check ni number. Good for 2 by number 21. Pagod agad. Number 26. Di mo kita number. Out of bounds, second ball. Bola. Number 69, pass the number. Number 40, pass the number. Pero may foul number 14. Number 21. Fire for 3. Short na ni number 8. Same ball. Number 10, pass to number 8. Pass to number 28. Fire for 3. No move. Nakuha ni number 32. Pass to number 21. Number 21, pass number 11, good for 2.
6-0. Lamang ang Bacood.
6-0 in favor of Bacood. Number 8, no good. Pero may tawag sa ref, foul number 4. Number. Wala mo na nakuha ni number 02. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 21. Good for 2. Time out.
8-0 ang score in favor of Bacood. Idol.
Dabong head. Number 69, Justin Kahunday. Good for 2 by number 21. Number 8. Pass to number 10. No good. Money number 02. Nakuha ni number 8. Wala pa na nakuha ni number 26. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 69. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 26. Good.
Oh! First 2 points of Toda. 10-2 ang score. 8-point lead by Bacood.
Number 21, pass to number 11, fires for 3. No good, rebounding number 10. Number 8, pass to number 26. Paraya. Pass to number 8. 10 seconds to number 26. Fire for 3. No good. Rebound. Good for 2. Number 14. Outlet pass to number 11. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 4. Break. Teardrop shot is no good. Rebounding number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Speed. Pass to number 24. No good. Nakuha ni number 02. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha pa rin ni number 02. Speed. Pass to number 12. Roman. Pass to number 11. No good. Pero may tawag sa red. Power number 26. Ano yun?
Mandatory
substitution. Palit ng people. Change 5. Rebounding number 1, pass to number 23. Fake. Teardrop shot is no good. Rebounding number 19, pass to number 1. Fake. Pass to number out of bounds. Save. Mag-jogging yan si Ari. Good for 2. Number 11, pass to number 19. Long 2. No good. Rebounding number 17. Outlet pass para kay number 23. Kashi. Good for 2.
Score 14-4. 10-point lead by Bacood.
May tumawid pa. May naglalaro. Number 66. Pass to number. Kawalang bola. Number 11. No good. Rebounding number 1. Kawalang bola. Nakuha ni number 21. Pero may tawag sa red. Traveling violation. Number 20, pass to number 7, pull up James. No good. Rebounding number 8, pass to number 66. Pull up James. No good. Rebounding number 1. Out of bounds. Backward ball. Out of pass to number 5. Number 5. Goal for 2. Number 21, pass to number 3. Pass to number 66. No good. Rebounding number 12. 11 pala. Black. Number 23, Kashi. Kashi, no good. Put back. Good for 2. Alapag. Sige. Number 21, long 2. No good. Rebounding number 19. Pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to number 1. Nawala pala nakuha ni number out of bounds. Number 1, pass to number 17. Pass to number 19. no good. Nakuha 5 good. Number 11, G.
Score 26, 14-point lead by Bacood. Maganda panoorin to yung sa seniors kasi
23, 5, 4, 3, no good. Rebound ni number 1. No good. Nakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 17. Good for 2. 1 minute and 25 seconds to play. Pass to number 2. No good. Rebound ni number 23, Kashi. Kashi kasi. Good for 2.
24-6, 18 points ng lamang ng Bacood.
55 seconds to play. Number 11. Good.
Goal!
2.
24-8. 16-point lead na lang ang inahabol ng ating Chang Toda.
Kami galing ng kasada ngayon nasa aeroplano. Kita mo. Justin, pass to number 8. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound number 27. Pass to number 21. 21 pass to number 3. Long 2 is good for 2. Dadaan yung Miss Universe. Number 69 pass to number 8. Out of bounds. Ball. Number 21 pass to number 12. Pass to number 10. No good. Rebound in number 8. Pass to number 6 and then pass to number good. Goal by number 26. Number 21 pass to number 12. Pass to number 10. Spin. Pass to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 69. Justin. Now only number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Natapikan. Now only number 31. Pass to number 27. 3 on 2 play. Number 12, goal for 2. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 8. 10 seconds to shoot out of bounds. Number 12. Number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Long 2 is good for 2.
Chano. Score is 34-10. 24-point lead by Bacood.
Number 69, Justin Kahuday. Number 10, pass to number 12. Pass to number. Pero may tawag sa ref. Number 69, Justin Kahuday. Justin Kahuday. Pass to number 8. Number 8, pero may tawag sa ref. Foul sa number 27. Number 69, pass to number 14, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. 9, pass to number 26, fires for 3, no good. Rebounding number, out of bounds, backward ball. 31, no good. Rebound number 8, pass to number 10. Sakuragi, no good. Rebound number 27, pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 10, no good. Rebound number 31, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 21. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 12. Goal for 2. And pass para number 14. Pass to number 10. Sakuragi. Out of bounds.
26 points ang inahabol na Sakuragi.
Fire for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 27. Pass to number 31. Number 31. Goal for 2.
Score 38-10. 28 points ang inahabol ng Chang Toda.
Number 69 pass, number 10 pull up, Jay scored for
38-12. 26 points. Papasa 26 points ang inahabol ng Chang Toda.
Number 27 pass to number out of bounds, single. Number 21 pass to number 10, no good. Rebound number 69, just it, no good. Nakuha ni number 27, pass to number 21, pass to number 12. Nawala pala, nakuha ni number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, pass to number. Nakuha ni number 21, pass to number 27. Goal for 2. Mandatory substitution po. Palit na po tayo ng 5.
Bola. Bola.
Ganda ng uniform ng Bacood.
Number 3. Pass to number 66. Pass to number. Goal for 2. Number 5. Pass to number 4. Nawala bola. Nakuha ni number 19. Bounce pass para kay number 5 na kalaban. Nakuha ni number 23. Kashi. Pass to number 1. Niniwang kay number 19. Goal for 2.
42-14. 31 points na ang inahabol ng Chang Toda.
Number 23. Pass to number 11. Pass. Number 5. Pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 19. Basket ka, may kasama bang foul? Bonus shot para kay number. No good na kuha ni. Pass to number 11. Alapag. Out of bounds, Bacood ball. Number 23, Kashi. Pass to number 19. Wala bola, nakuha ni number 21. Pass to number 11. Number 11. 14 and 8
seconds.
Number 23. Pass to number 4. Pero may foul. Foul number 19. Second try is good.
Nag-aasar ka.
Number 3, pull up Jay is good.
Oh. 46-16, down to 30 points ang hinabol ng Chang Toda.
Number 5, Park for 3. No good, rebound ni number 1. Pero may tawag si ref, pero may foul number. Foul number 66. Ano? First personal foul. Ha? Third, team foul po itong isa pa lang doon. Bakit may sahuli na naman yung team? Pass to number 2, Nagkashi. Pass to number 1, pass for 3. No good, rebound ni number 21. Nakuha ni number 66.
Dumata pa sa air.
No good, nakuha ni number 23. Pass to number 66. Pass for 3. No good, rebound ni number 1. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 23. No good. Rebound ni number 5, Ebol. No lang bola nakuha ni number 20, Kashi. Pass to number 19, 10 seconds to shoot, fire for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 4. Pero may foul. First drive is no good. Second try is paso. Number 23. Number 3, pass for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 4. Number 4, pass to number 1. Pass to number 5, Ebon. Pass to number 1. No good. Rebound ni number 3. Nakuha ni number 5, behind the scene. Number 6, 19, no good. Nakuha ni number 5, Ebon. Nakuha ni Jimmy. Number 11, behind the book. Number 11, oh. Pass to number 9, fire for 3. No good. Rebound ni number 23, Kashi. Pass to number 1. Out of bounds, pass to number 21. Pass to number 11. Number 11, no good, the rebound number 23. Nakuha ni number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to play. Pasal na yung marunong. 3 seconds to play. The first half. Score 48-16 in favor of Bacood.
32 points ang kalamangan ng Bacood.
Yan ang mga plano. Tanong mo sa akin paano baka ikay maturuan. Ingat sa aking lead baka ikay pangburuhan.
Di tarlay. Number 11. Pass number 13. Back to number 11. Fires for 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 11 lang naman. Number 69. Hoy! Grabe, naabang ko yun eh. Ano ba, team? Ayos! Number 11. Pero may foul number 8 to number 10. Fires for 3. No good. Out of bounds, down to the ball.
Tira!
Number 69, nagdadalawang set. Number 8, pass to number 10, pull up J is no good. Rebound ni number 69, Justin Kauday. Number 69, pass to number 8, pass to number 14. Nawala bola na number 8, no good. Nakuha ni number 17, Number 11, long 2. No good. Rebounding number 02. No lang pala na number 90 pass to number 69. Justin Kaula. Justin! Good! Biyahe na, kota na.
Score 51-18. 33-point lead. 33 ang inahabol ng Chang Toda.
Number 17, pass to number 02. Kuya Alvin for 3. No good. Rebounding number 10. Nakuha ni number 69. Number 69. Nakuha ni number 02. Number 02. Pero may foul. Foul number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. Second team foul. Time out. First strike is good. Uy, minista ka na pare. Pag-inisya pa na yung cellphone. Second try is pasok pa din.
53-18. 35 points. 35 points.
Number 69, Justin, pass to number 19, pull up chase. No good. Nakuha ni number 8. Nakuha ni number 69. Fire for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 02. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Basket ka. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 10.
53-20. 33-point lead by Bacolod.
Ano paraan yung ganon? Fourteen ng Chang Toda. Number 17. Nawala pa lang ako ni number 8. Hindi pa lang ni number 13. Ako ni number 8. Ayan na, tunay na number 8. 2-on-3 play. Number 8. Nawala pa lang ako ni number 69. But may foul number 8. Number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 11. Pass number 10. Pay. Reserve substitution. Number 11. Air ball. Number 69. 2-on-2 play. Pass number 8. Number 8. Go.
Dead goal, Sam.
Reserve timeout. Nakuha ni number 19, pass to number 69. Justin. Number 69, stop and pop for 2. No good. Nakuha pa rin niya. Number 69. Number 69. Number 69. Reserve timeout ang team Bacolod.
Ito pa, atras lang.
Number 11 pass to number 13. No good by number 8. Number 8 pass to number 69. Goal! Bacolod.
Score 53-29. 24 points ang inahabol nila.
Down, 27.
Pag-umiri, naghaharap ng katawan ng babanggay.
Patu.
Tira na!
Number 27. Go for 2.
dyan, pre.
Number 66, no good. Rebounding number 19, pass to number 27. Pass to number 5, Ebon, goes for 2. Number 66, pass to number 26, Pagaya. Pabaya pala. Pass to number 10. Go for 2. Number 19, pass to number 20, passing for 3. No good. Rebounding number 10, pass to number 40, pass to number 66. 7 pa for 2. No good. Rebounding number 19, pass to number 5, pass to number 23, Kashi. Pass to number 27, fires for 2. No good. Put down number 1 is good for 2. Number 14, pass to number 19, fires for 3. No good. Rebounding number 27, pass to number 5. Number 5. No good. Rebounding number 10. Sakuragi. Number 19, pass to number 14, 5 for 2. No good. Rebounding number 23, Kashi. 3 on 2 play. Number 23, goal for 2. Number 26. Oh. Number 5, Ebon, solo, goal for 2. Number 19, pass to number 10, fires for 3, no good. Rebounding number 23, Kashi. Pass to number 5, Ebon, goal for 2. Timeout, Chao Toda.
Score 65-31. 34 points ang inaabol ng Chang Toda. Rep.
Number 69, Justin Pugay. Titira yan sa 3. Pass to number 8. No good. Rebounding number 19. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 1. Out of bounds, down to the ball. Wow, Jamoran. Number 69. Boy, pass to number 5. Pass to number 10. Pull up is 2, no good. Same ball. Number 69. Fires for 3. No good. Pass to number 5. No good. Rebounding number 90. Pass to number. Rebounding number 69. Tinira na 3. Number 69. Pass to number 26. No good. Rebounding number 1. No lang bola. Out of bounds. Same ball. Tira ba natin? Number 69. Pass to number 8. Fires for 3. No good. Rebounding number 5. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
End of the third quarter, score 65-31. 34 ang inaabol ng Chang Toda.
Number 8, fires for 3.
Score natin 65-34. The lead is down to 31. 5 ako odd.
Tira! Tira! Takbo! Yay!
Ito sila siyan. Ha? Ano? Ako nga uupo sa laro ng laban. Tumami ka dyan.
6-7 to 8. Score 71-42. Oh, 71-45. 26 points na lang inahabol ng Chong Toda. 73-47. $73-49. 24 points ang inaabol ng Chang Toda. $75-51. 24 points ang inaabot. Oh. 77-51. $77-53. $77-54. Last 2 minutes. Score 79-57. 22 points na lang pala. Inaabot niya. So, 83-57.